Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. You need to begin by opening Recorder app. After that, select this microphone at the top right corner and tap on one of those formats. Then click on those three lines at the top right corner as well and select list of all your recordings. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to create it. In order to start it, tap on this blue button. Then click on Allow in the pop-ups if you never used Recorder before. As you can see, mine is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same blue button. To add a bookmark, click on this flag on the left. And to add a photo one, click on Camera on the left. Now choose while using the app or only this time. Click on Allow and take a picture. If you don't like it, you can always discard it by selecting this X on the right. If you want to retake it though, click on this arrow, this one, on the left. Then click on the shutter again. Now to add your photo bookmark, click on this middle button with a check mark. Finally, to end and save your recording, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Lastly, name it however you want to and tap on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it instead, you need to hold it. Choose Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!